Hi friends, welcome to our new episode of Employment News for BE BTech Mechanical Engineers 5th April 2021. In this video, we are included job opportunities in government sector, private sector and opportunities in apprenticeship training. From our channel Mech Engineering World, every Monday we will upload new employment news for mechanical engineers. This week, in this video, we are included 9 government jobs, 6 private jobs and 2 apprenticeship training. Most of the opportunities are for freshers, so please watch the video till the end. In this first government jobs. In government job, first one is FTC officer at Green Gas Limited, Lucknow. Green Gas Limited is a joint venture of GAIL India Limited and Indian Oil Corporation Limited, incorporated on 2005 with an objective of taking up city gas distribution. Green Gas Limited is located in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. It is classified as a public limited company. Green Gas Limited was initially authorized for CGD network in Lucknow and Agra, and further Green Gas Limited has been authorized for further 2 areas, Farizabad and Sultanpur. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. It's a fresher type job, no experience required for this job. Annual CTC 4,80,000 rupees. Application fee is nil. Job type, the initial contract duration will be for the period of 1 year, which may be extended up to a maximum period of 3 years or the duration of the project, whichever is earlier. Age limit is 35 years. Selection procedure. Based on the qualification and experience, candidates shortlisted for personal interview. Based on the interview, final selection of the candidates will be done. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed notification on the website shown on screen and can apply on or before 21st April 2021. I will provide all website IDs and link in my description also. Next is Project Associate 1 at Central Salt and Marine Chemicals Research Institute. Central Salt and Marine Chemical Research Institute is a constituent laboratory of the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, Gujarat, India. The need for salt research was recognized by the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research CSIR New Delhi as early as 1940. CSM CRI with much scientific excitement has low achievement technological excellence with several granted patents in the core mandate of the institute and is one of among the top performing national R&D laboratories in the country. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. It's a fresher type job, no experience required for this job. Pay and allowances is 25,000 to 31,000. Application fee is nil. Job type is contractual. Age limit is 25 years. Selection procedure. Received applications will be scrutinized based on the certain criteria and only shortlisted candidates will be asked to attend interview using online mode. How to apply? Detailed job notification can see the link as shown on screen. The interested candidates are requested to send their complete application in a prescribed format along with the relevant documents in a single PDF file for scrutiny through email as shown on screen on or before 21st April 2021. Next is Supervisor Technical Control at Security Printing Press, Hyderabad. Security Printing Press, Hyderabad is the one of the 9 units under SPMCAL Schedule A Mindyatna Category 1 Central Public Sector Enterprise organized wholly owned by Government of India. Objective of the company is designing, manufacturing or printing security documents, currency and banknotes, non-judicial stamp papers, minting of coins, postage of stamps, etc. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. It's a fresher type job, no experience required for this job. Pay and allowances are 26,000 to 1 lakh in industry DA pattern plus other allowances. Age limit is 30 years. Application fee is 600 for general, EWS or OBC and 200 for SC, ST candidates. Selection process. Initially, candidates shall be called for an online examination. Selection to the post will be done on the basis of online examination which will be of objective type. The final selection will be made on the basis of merit list as per marks obtained in online examination only. How to apply? Interested candidates can visit Security Printing Press Hyderabad's website as shown on screen and open the link under the page Discover SPMCL and go to careers page. For filling the online application form, click on the option Apply Online on or before 10th April 2021. Next is Junior Manager IE at National Mineral Development Corporation NMDC Hyderabad. NMDC Limited is a Navaratna public sector enterprise under the Ministry of Steel, Government of India, and a multi-locational, multi-product and constantly profit-making mining and mineral exploration organization with a large turnover. It is involved in the exploration of iron ore, copper, rock phosphate, limestone, dolomite, gypsum, bentonite, magnesite, diamond, tin, tungsten, graphite, etc. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Pay and allowances are 50,000 to 1,60,000 plus other allowances. Application fees 500 for general and no fee for SC, ST, PWD or ex-servicemen categories and department candidates of NMDC Limited. Experience required for the post is minimum 2 years. Age limit is 30 years. Selection procedure: based on the qualification and experience, candidates shortlisted, and based on the interview, final selection of candidates will be done. How to apply? Detailed notification is available at the website as shown on screen. Eligible candidates would be required to apply online through NMDC website as shown on screen on or before 21st April 2021. Next is some last date of jobs already informed in previous videos. First one is design trainee or management trainee technical at HAL's last date is 5th April 2021. Associate engineer at BrahMos Aerospace Private Limited's last date is 5th April 2021. Project engineer 1 mechanical at Bharat Electronics Limited's last date is 7th April 2021. Executive engineer at Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited's last date is 15th April 2021. Officer at Artificial Limbs Manufacturing Corporation of India's last date is 16th April 2021. I will provide last video's link in my description. That's all for government jobs. Next is private jobs. In private job, first one is graduate engineering trainee at John Crane, Bangalore. John Crane is an American company, now a subsidiary of Smith Group and provider of engineered products and services including mechanical seal, coupling, hydrodynamic bearings, seal support system, filtration system and artificial lift. The company services customers in the energy service sector including production, transmission and storage, refining, power generation, petrochemical, pulp and paper and mining industries. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher. Location is Bangalore. Job reference ID is JOHNCRANEAPAC 00801. Job requirement: good analytic skill and technical background, capable of defining and meeting realistic timelines, self-motivated and quick learner, excellent verbal and oral communication skill, team player with well-developed interpersonal skills, etc. Role is graduate engineering trainee. Industry type is mechanical steel. Function area is production manufacturing. It's a full-time permanent job. Industry candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply through company website as shown on screen. Next is field sales trainee at Medtronics PLC, Agra, UP. Medtronic PLC is an American domiciled medical device company. Medtronic operates in 140 countries and employs over 1 lakh people. Medtronic began its operations in India in the year of 1979. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 1 year. Job ID is 21007YG. Salary is not disclosed by the company. Job description: trainees will be play a critical role in achieving sales revenue through generating orders through clinical or operating room selling of the Medtronic products. Trainees can expect to gain broad knowledge of Medtronic therapies, sales, business development and application functions and detailed understanding of the role of these functions play in meeting company objective, etc. Role is trainee sales. Industry type is medical device company. Function area is production. It's a full-time permanent job. Industry candidates can see detailed advertisement and can apply through online by using their website as shown on screen. Next is field officer trainee at Sonalika International Tractors Limited, Madurai. Sonalika Group is an Indian multinational company headquartered in Hosaipur, Punjab, India and is active mainly in the automobile sector. Sonalika Tractors is the third largest manufacturer of tractors in India with the capacity to produce 3 lakh tractors per year, and it manufactures tractors ranging from 20 HP to 120 HP. Sonalika is leading tractor company with a presence in more than 130 plus countries. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 1 year. Salary is not disclosed by the company. Roles and responsibilities: generate leads through local marketing activities, build brand visibility through road shows and local sales promotion activities, develop and nurture good relationship with dealers in the assigned territory, ensure dealers success through recruitment, training and motivation of DSPs, assigning targets and reviewing daily performance of DSPs, etc. Role is field officer training. Industry type is automobile or auto components. Function area is engineering design. It's a full-time permanent job. Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can send the application at the website as shown on screen, or can send their latest CV to careers@sonaliga.com. Next is engineering training at Aditya Birla Group Paint Manufacturing, Main, Mumbai. A global conglomerate, the Aditya Birla Group is in the league of Fortune 500, anchored by an extraordinary force of over 120,000 employees belonging to 42 nationalities. The group is built on a strong foundation of stakeholder value creation. With over 7 decades of responsible business practices, our business has grown into global powerhouses in a wide range of sectors: metal, pulp and fiber, chemical, textiles, carbon black and cement, etc. A new venture in the space of paints, Birla Paints division, Grasim, is set to offer a diversified new age portfolio of paints and related products in line with global mega trends. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 1 year. Salary is not disclosed by the company. Skills required: freshers with a zeal to learn and pick up technology and domain traits, analytical thinkers and critical problem solvers, technophile, he enthusiastic about new technology, exposure to paints, chemicals or related sectors, etc. Role is engineering trainee. Function areas paint, function areas production, manufacturing. It's a full-time permanent job. Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online on the company website as shown on screen, or through the direct link as shown on screen. Next is Engineer System Integration at Mercedes-Benz Research and Development India Private Limited. Mercedes-Benz India Private Limited is a wholly owned subsidiary of German Daimler AG, founded in 1994 with a headquarters in Pune, Maharashtra. Mercedes-Benz India pioneered in the luxury car market in India. Mercedes-Benz was recognized as India's most admired company in a survey by Fortune India magazine 2013. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 1 year. Salary is not disclosed by the company. Skill required: plan modeling of power strain, e-drive, BMS, braking and other important system towards HAL sign of testing. First principle based plan modeling of powertrain, e-drive components for testing powertrain or e-drive controllers like engine controller, ATS controllers, charging controllers, cooling controllers, etc. for performance analysis from electrical and thermal aspects in MATLAB simulation environment, etc. Role is engineering system integration. Function areas automobile, function areas production, manufacturing. Is a full-time permanent job. Interested candidates can see the notification and can apply online through their website as shown on screen. Next is Mechanical Engineer at Focus Energy Limited, Rajasthan. Focus Energy Limited is an independent oil and gas exploration company active in the Indus Basin. Focus Energy Limited is a part of privately owned diversified business group having presence in various industries and business interests. We are primarily focusing on exploration, development and production of oil and natural gas, etc. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 2 year. Location is Jaisalmer. Salary offered are 1,25,000 to 1,70,000. Job description: Focus Energy Limited is looking for a fresher mechanical engineer who want to build their career into oil and gas industry. Candidates passing out during 2018-19 or 19-20 are only eligible to apply. Should have knowledge of engine, pumps, machinery, hydraulics, pneumatics system, etc. Should have very good communication skill. Role is mechanical engineer. Industry type is oil and gas. Function area is production. Employment type is full-time permanent. Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply through online by using the website as shown on screen. That's all for private job. Next is apprenticeship training. In apprenticeship training, first one is graduate apprentice at Ordnance Factory Board OFB Ishapur. Indian Ordnance Factory is an government agency under the control of Department of Defence Production, Ministry of Defence, Government of India. It is engaged in the research, development, production, testing, marketing and logistic of product range in the areas of air, land and sea system. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Number of vacancies are 27. Qualification is mechanical engineering, pass out after 2018. Candidates belonging to the districts of North 24 Paragons, Noida, Kolkata and Hooghly district of West Bengal will given preference for enrollment for training. How to apply? Detailed advertisement can see at the website as shown on screen. Interested eligible candidates must register themselves in the NATS portal of MHRD by using the link as shown on screen. After enrolling into a NATS portal, students should search with the establishment name Rifle Factory Ishapur and then submit the online application on or before 30th April 2021. Next is some last dates of apprenticeship already informed in previous video. Graduate apprentice training at High Energy Material Research Laboratory DRDO HEMRS last date is 10th April 2021. I will provide last video's link in my description. That's all for this week's employment news video. For the next employment news video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.